Today we are making a delicious and flavorful Cameroonian green sauce with fresh fish. This recipe is packed with fresh herbs, aromatic spices, and tender fish, giving you that rich homemade taste that goes perfectly with rice, plantains, potato, or your favorite side dish. If you love simple, authentic African recipes with big flavor, you definitely want to watch this till the end. Let's get cooking. I start by cutting my fish into desired sizes and then washing them thoroughly with a kitchen brush. My preferred brush is a toothbrush because it is small and can enter the fish perfectly. Use this method and you will thank me later. I then proceed to washing my green herbs made up of basil, celery, leeks, green bell pepper. This process should not be skipped or neglected because they can really hide some soil in them. Make sure you open every corner that is folded. To these fresh herbs will be added our everyday kitchen spices made up of ginger, white pepper, garlic, onion, njangsa, and habanero peppers as well. And voila, food is ready. Hope it is something you can give a try and hope you enjoy the process as well. We'll be having this with bobolo, as we call it here in Cameroon, that is cassava wrapped in leaves and boiled or cooked till they are ready. So the children are served. But for hobby, I made some tape, that is fried plantain, both ripe and unripe. This one is something very simple to do as well, and we all enjoyed this recipe. Hope you try it out. Thanks for watching. See you in our next one. Stay blessed.